third and final reason why I like credit unions over big banks is typically your savings rates are higher with credit unions. Why is this? So, for instance, San Diego County Credit Union, they're only going to service in San Diego versus Chase Bank services all throughout the United States, right? So when you have a smaller bank, typically you're going to get the customer service is going to be a little better, I would say. In those instances, you're going to get more of a one-on-one banking situation with a San Diego, with a credit union that's, San Diego County Credit Union, for instance, that way. Because, constantly talking to me. First, when I go inside of Chase, because I currently have a bank account with Chase as well, they see so many people all the time that a lot of times, outside of your typical, hey, how are you doing? What can I help you with? That's it, versus I can build a rapport with people at the credit unions, right? Because they know who I am, they know me personally, they know my personality and so forth. And I believe, now don't quote me on this, but when it comes to getting loans and so forth, when you have a rapport with someone, I believe that the credit union is a little easier to get those loans. And, it's going to be based obviously on your credit, but sometimes, being a good person and so forth can take you a further way. They'll give you more information with regards to why things happen and why things aren't happening for you a lot of times. And, they're more friendly when it comes to you as a consumer. You're not looked at in essence like a number, right? I've even had friends that's worked at credit unions and have worked at big banks. And typically at the big banks, it's all about the numbers, right? Crunching the numbers, getting the numbers, and getting as many people and doing that. Now with credit unions, obviously they want as many members as well, but it's just more of an impersonal thing, right?